So today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your Google Drive folders for the Intro to Photography class you're in. The very first thing I'm going to have you do is log into your school Google account. So that's step one. You're going to go ahead and use your school email to do so. Once you're in there, I want you to go and find Google Drive. You're going to click on that. And the third step is you are going to create a main folder and name it. So you're going to go to the top left-hand corner of Google Drive. It says New. I want you to create a new folder. It's going to ask you what you want to name this folder. You must name it your first and last name. So for example, mine would be this. And I want you to say photography class. So there we go. You're going to go ahead and click create. And I see it right here. Then the next step is you're going to go ahead and click that. And inside that folder, I want you to make two subfolders. So the first you're going to make is going to be named raw photos. So I would even go so far as to say your name, raw photos. And what raw just means is that it's this unprocessed data, so it's the unedited versions, and we are going to upload them all here. And that's great because sometimes you have ones that are like they turned out with no picture at all, or they're blurry, so you see them and then you can keep deleting. The second subfolder I want you to do and create is going to be named edited photos. Alright, edited photos, create that. So now we know that any ones in here that we end up editing, we're going to save again into here and drag it over. And the very last thing I want you to do right now is to create a Google Slides presentation in this main folder. So this is going to be your digital portfolio. You're going to go ahead, go back up, create, and I want you to go ahead and click on Google Slides. You should definitely put your name in there, and this is going to be where all of your edited photos that we just looked at, you're going to put them in here as a sort of digital portfolio. And if you're not familiar with what a portfolio is, it's just basically a space where artists keep their artwork. Physical portfolios might be an actual folder that you keep your artwork in, but this digital portfolio is how we're going to be able to view multiple photos and go through and see your body of artwork. So by the end of this, you'll have an organized space to store all your work and easily keep track of your progress. And you're going to go ahead and share your folder. So your photo folder, this one, I want you to share it with me. So share, and you're going to add me. So my last name is SCHRADER-RANK, and here I am. So it's SCHRADERA at schenectadyschools.org. You'll go ahead and you can say, I'll be a commenter. I don't need to be an editor. I don't need to touch your photos, but I do want to give you comments, feedback, grades. You're going to send it, and that way I will be able to access the photos you have, and you will have everything nice and